first, let's head to Rwanda. We know that plastic bags have been banned in Kigali for several years and that their use is even criminal offense. Is that all? Or has the country gone even further to reduce plastic in everyday life? Well, not exactly. Still, the idea of recycling is becoming more popular. Let's see how plastic is being turned into a raw material to make other things.
Plastic in a country where the material is supposedly forbidden. Farmers Cooperative Asophyte is preparing seedlings for its tea plantation. Rwanda is one of the 20 biggest tea producers in the world, more than 18,000 hectares of it, an area twice as large as the city of Paris, are spread across these lush green hills. The tea harvested here is very valuable, but without plastic, it wouldn't be worth nearly as much.
We need these seedling bags and plastic covers. Without them, it becomes difficult to get the desired quality because the seedlings depend on the moisture to grow and to get the necessary nutrients.
The members of the 4,000-strong cooperative use more than 2 million plastic tubes and other plastic materials each year. In the capital, Kigali, the government is waging a war against plastic. The punishment for the production, import, and sale of single-use plastics is now up to a year in jail. Environmental agency REMA recognizes that the journey to a future without plastic will require a lot of creativity and pragmatism.
As we move on, we actually ban when we have alternatives. When we still have to look for best alternatives, we are always flexible. But we put in place a framework of dealing with that use of plastics intelligently, carefully.
Agroplast is one of the companies looking for an intelligent way to deal with excess plastic waste. They employ 11 teams that regularly travel the country collecting it. They use what they get primarily to make farming products. After all, tea farmers aren't the only one having difficulties finding the right tubes for their seedlings.
We talked with the Rwanda Environment Agents, and we agreed on which type of plastic needed in agriculture. That's where we started making agriculture tubing, which is used in the nursery. We produce also plastic sheeting.
Since then, they've been manufacturing plastic materials for nurseries, but the point isn't just environmentally friendly production. Once the process has started, it's meant to be sustainable.
What we do, we monitor our client. We know where they are located. After using their nursery, our product, we go back there and we bring back the used plastic waste. And also we do the same work.
The farmers from the Asophyte Cooperative are part of that cycle. They're made aware of the conditions during training courses.
I insist and remind all of you that the plastics you are left with after planting the seedlings are not meant for other uses. They must be returned. Also, wherever you see plastic, please don't leave it there. This is a way to increase the productions from our farms and to safeguard the environment.
Their call for environmental protection isn't just empty talk. The cooperative has committed itself to the cause, pledging to donate whatever it purchases to be recycled after use. A deal that's paying off.
Every farmer who gets the seedlings must ensure they return plastics corresponding to the number of seedlings each took. Therefore, we make sure they are all tracked and delivered back to the recycling plant. This is also a benefit because the plant pays us for the amount delivered.
In the end, it's progress for the environment, more business for the cooperative, and another milestone on the road to Rwanda becoming one of the environmentally cleanest countries in Africa.